I am Mikud. I am the queen of Mikud. All kneel before me.
Hey, last for this old woman. I try and teach that boy how to speak patois there.
But is he learning anything?
I must make it work.
So you think if I learn to say things like Bon Dieu and Mamai and Tomaso, and Babuno, Babino, you think then they'll vote for me?
Deck, I don't care. So long as we could make them people think we care, I could. Now focus. Hotel Aqua Mango.
Oh, mangoes? I love mangoes.
Mama, unia hotel, no c'est Creole. Mais Creole ou pas à comprendre?
What?
Ouais, monsieur. I must find a solution. One more.
Okay.
Bossman, ba moi un petit poche.
Oh, I know.